Hello students, welcome to my channel. Today's topic is animals and their food habits. Plants can make their own food, that is why they are called producers. Animals cannot make their own food, they depend on plants directly or indirectly for their food. They are called consumers. Based on their food habits, animals are classified into following categories. Herbivores. Herbivores or herbivorous animals eat plants and plant products only. Cows, deer, horses, and goats are some examples of herbivores. Features of herbivores. The digestive system of herbivores is capable of digesting a large amount of plant material. They have broad, blunt teeth, which are suitable for pulling plants off the ground and chewing them. Cows, buffaloes, and other ruminants can bring back a half-chewed and swallowed food back to the mouth. They chew it again. This way, they can absorb more nutrients from the food they eat. Herbivores, such as squirrels, have a pair of broad, sharp-edged front teeth for eating food items like nuts. Herbivores, such as butterfly and hummingbird, do not chew their food. They have straw-shaped mouth part to suck nectar from flowers. Some animals, such as elephant, can eat almost all parts of the plant, such as bark, leaves, root, fruits. It uses its trunk. Carnivores. Carnivores or carnivorous animals eat the flesh of other animals. For example, lion, tigers, snakes, eagles, and spiders. Features of carnivores. Carnivores such as lions, tigers, and wolves have sharp and pointed canine teeth to tear the flesh of the other animal. They also have sharp claws and powerful jaws to tear and eat the flesh. Carnivorous birds such as eagles, owls, and falcons also have sharp and pointed beaks that help them to tear flesh. Frogs and chameleons have a long sticky tongue to catch the small insects. Omnivores. Omnivores or omnivorous animals are animals that can eat both plants and the flesh of animals. For example, bear, crow, and human beings. Features of omnivores. Some omnivorous animals hunt and eat their food just like carnivores. Omnivores have different types of teeth such as sharp canines, blunt incisors, and molars to eat both plant and animal parts. Omnivorous birds such as crow have sharp and pointed beak that helps them to eat a variety of food. Scavenger. Scavenger is an animal that feeds on the flesh of dead animals. For example, hyenas and vultures. They keep our environment clean. Parasites. Some animals live on or within other animals called hosts and obtain their food directly from their host animals. Such animals are known as parasites. For example, leeches and lices. Some parasites such as tapeworm and roundworm live inside the body of other animals and eat the food after it is digested by these animals. Decomposers. Decomposers break down the organic matter of dead animals and plants and release nutrients in the soil. These organisms help in keeping the surrounding clean. For example, bacteria and fungi. Food chain. A food chain is a hierarchy of organisms in which an organism is dependent on the one preceding it is as source of food. It shows the flow of food energy between plants and animals. A food chain always starts with plants. Animals and plants in an environment depend on each other for food. Indirectly, all animals depend on plants as every food chain starts with plant. Food web. Most animals and plants form a part of more than one food chain. Many food chains interconnect to make a food web. The concept of food web was introduced in 1927 by a zoologist, Charles Elton. If you want to check your progress, you can do the practice work. If you like this video, please like, subscribe and share.